I want to explain something quickly that you need to understand if you're looking to make money online. And there's two specific things or two really avenues that people can go down when it comes to either, a home-based business, affiliate marketing, network marketing, whatever you want to call the niche or business or industry. There's two pathways to go. There's one level commissions, which is typically selling product services or courses and making one-time commissions. And then there's creating passive income through memberships. It's as simple as that. And you can go one of two paths. Most people, when they're getting started, they choose the first path, which is selling a course. And most people don't actually consume the course, they buy the course to sell the course, also known as digital marketing, also known as affiliate marketing. Now, this can be really great. This could earn quick commissions for you. This could help you make hundreds or even thousands of dollars in one sale, which is great. The other method might be lower ticket commissions, but it's a membership based thing, so it might take more time to build. Let me clear up and really just give you a thought process and a thinking point on the difference between the two paths and something you may want to consider and may want to think about. If you choose the first path, which is higher ticket commissions, instant commissions, one level commissions, those are great for upfront money. And it can make you a good amount of money in a short amount of time or however long you want to stretch that process out. There's a however there, there's a catch there that most people are not thinking about when they start their business. When you go down path A or the first path, which is, let's just say you're going to do the legacy thing and you're going to buy a course to sell a course. You could make $300, $600, or $900 in one shot. Great. Awesome. You're buying a course to sell a course. If that's what you want to do, cool. Going down that path, it is literally the equivalent of getting a job. There's no off switch. If you want to keep making those commissions, you have to keep selling, keep producing content. The work does not stop, because if you stop selling, if you stop producing content, if you stop marketing, the commissions stop. And that's something you should probably consider if you're going to go down that road. If you're looking for an income path for your business, for your team, for yourself, a way to generate income right now in 2025. If you go the affiliate model, which you can, I've done before, and it's great for, supplemental commissions. It's great for one-off commissions. It's great for a quick buck. And there are times where these things come in handy. If you want to build long-term passive income, maybe think about the other path. You can, and by the way, you can do both paths. I'm not saying it's got to be one or the other, because I also have affiliate commissions that I can earn literally at any time by promoting, a course or this or that or a product or whatever it is. But when you go down the other path, which is more a membership-based side hustle, affiliate marketing, network marketing, whatever you want to call it, it may take a little longer to grow, but the whole goal here, at least for me, I don't know if it is for you, but the whole goal here is to eventually be able to kick back and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Now, one might argue that if you go down the first path and you're doing affiliate marketing or you're selling courses, you can build up a large enough following and you can kick back and you can, earn off all your residual content that you have out there. You can earn off of the size of your social platforms and profiles. Maybe the case for a little while, but eventually, if you're not consistently producing content, eventually the views are going to go down and the sales are going to go down with it. When you have a membership-based platform, and especially a team member-based platform, eventually you can take your foot off the gas and you could put out less content. And you can, I don't know if I would ever go to the point where I was not putting out content, because I thoroughly enjoy putting out content. So you could get to a point where you don't have to do certain things that you would do over here in the first lane that you may not have to do in the second lane. You could ease up and you could gain back some of your time. And ultimately, for me, why I got into this industry, this niche, this make money online thing that we're doing here. Ultimately, I got into this so I can gain more time, because you can always make more money, but you can't make more time. I love and value my time. So for me, a membership based side hustle is the way to go. You can offset that if things are slow to grow in the beginning and you're building and growing and doing the things that get a membership based, team based side hustle or network marketing deal, affiliate marketing deal, whatever it is. It could be an affiliate marketing deal. It could be something like ClickFunnels, where you're just getting as many ClickFunnels members as possible and they're paying you a commission every single month. That could be cool, right? Or you could do a network marketing thing where you have a team that's building and growing and you're making passive income off the efforts of your team. Those are all things you can do. And at the same time, you can maybe market a course here and there and get some quick upfront cash while you're building and building and building. Because ultimately, let me give you a real life example here. For me, I'm in a position where my team continues to build and grow. And although I put out content here on a consistent basis, I enjoy that, but I can take a day off if I want. If, my neighbors or friends reach out and say, "Hey, do you want to go golfing this week?" I say yes. And I can go do that and it still builds and grows and I still make money. If I was just doing one level affiliate marketing and I decided to not work a day or to not put out content in a day, I won't be making any sales. However, membership based, team based, your team can still grow, your business can still grow, and the memberships will continue to pay you every single month. So passive income, not passive income. Like a job, got to show up to it every single day. If you stop showing up, the income stops coming in. If you stop showing up over here, the income can still continue to come in. Now, can the income go down if you stop participating and stop, doing your thing? Of course, but you can build it big enough where it continues to grow without you being there. That's why I'm here. That's why I do what I do. And for you, if you're looking at ways to create passive income, think about the two pathways that you can go down: one level, one-time commissions or consistent residual commissions. Food for thought, my friend. Food for thought. Hope you got value from this video. Maybe you gained a little bit of insight, but if you're thinking of or maybe looking for ways to make money online right now in 2025, think about the direction you want to go. Think about the type of effort and the work that you're going to consistently be putting in. Do you want to be at a place where if you don't put out content, you don't make any money? If you don't consistently go do the thing, you're not going to make any money. There's no leverage. Or do you want leverage and the ability to create long-term, sustainable, passive residual income? Again, things to think about. If you want more on what I do and how I do it, I'm going to leave an end card right here at the end of this video. You can simply tap on that, see my full overview and tutorial about how I create multiple streams of income passively. Go check it out. If you made it to this point in the video, thank you. I appreciate you watching. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button so you get notified anytime I upload new content. If you hit that bell icon, you will be notified first. Appreciate you watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next one.